Good morning, good afternoon or good evening, wherever in the wide world you might be watching. One of the most powerful features in the Microsoft Office set of programs, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, perhaps Access if you have the professional version, is the ability to link one object to another in another program. So what we're going to do in this particular video is to link a chart that I'll create shortly in Excel to a Word document. The Word document at the moment looks like this. It's an inter-office memorandum. We're going to insert a chart by linking it from the chart we'll create in Excel. So let's see how it works. Back in Excel, I'll drag through the data and then I will insert a clustered column chart, that one there. We'll just drag it up out of the way. Now what I can do is to copy that chart by right clicking and copy, and then go to Word and right click at the insertion point where you want the chart and paste special. In the paste special box that appears, put a dot in paste link, and in this case it's a Microsoft Excel chart object. Now click OK, and there we see that the chart has been placed into the Word document. Now what I'm going to do is to demonstrate the linking of the chart by changing one of the series here. Now I could go back to Excel, but if you have a linked chart in Word, you can simply double click on the chart and it opens up the associated Excel file. We're going to change the toys to 1000. Let's have a look at what has happened back in Word. Okay, it's changed to 1000 down there. Let's put them back to 8000. So we'll double click on the chart, 8000, enter, back in Word. I see that the linking has taken care of the updating of the chart in Word. So it can be very, very handy, particularly if you're perhaps in a sales situation as a sales manager or a teacher with students that you want to perhaps place a chart in a PowerPoint slide. You can do the same thing in PowerPoint. And now I'm going to show you a little trick back in Excel. You may be aware of it, maybe you're not. But what I'm going to do is to convert the table of convert the data into a table by clicking Insert Table. My table has headers, yes, OK. And there I see the sort and filter buttons appear as we normally do in a table. But what I can do now is to click down here and enter data for week 5. So week 5 will say that the toys are 1000, the computers will say are 25,000, 14,000 for the furniture and 9,000 for the phones. Now when I press enter, I see that the formatting is a bit out of kilter, so what I'll do, I'll drag through that cell, that row there, and then I'll click the Format Painter button here, and then I'll drag through the cells that I just created. And what I also see is that because I had a table, I see that the 5th week has been automatically added for me. So that's the beauty of having a table if you're going to create a chart and you think you may want to enter further rows at a later stage. Okay, let's have a look back in Word, and sure enough, there is week 5 already linked for us. It all takes a little bit of practice, but it is not difficult, and it can be extremely handy when you're wanting to link information from one program to another. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe unless you've already done so, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.